All right, here we are with a 1932 new edition, How to Treat the Common Ailments of Farm Animals. Now this is back in 1932. Look at that. Howard's Dairyman. All right, look at that. All kinds of good stuff here. Let's see how old this really is. All right. Got a lot there to show you. If you notice right there, 1932. By W.D. Hoards and Son Corporate. All right. Here we have some nice pictures of cows just calved out. Great. Diseases of cattle, treating farm animals. Pink eye. Winter. Alright, diseases of cow. How cow that dead with Jones disease. Oh, John's disease. Oh, look at that. All kinds of stuff in here. Blackleg. Tuberculosis. Red water. Udder diseases. You don't milk them correctly. Ascites. That will happen. Milk fever. For sucking cows. Holding up of milk. Alright. Digestive diseases. Tapping for bloat. Loss of appetite. Sore mouth. Infectious white sores. Oh, and here we have a nice picture of all the cows. All their joints. Well, that's interesting, isn't it? Oh, some more. There you go, showing you the complete inside of a cow. All right. That's very useful. Look at that one. All right. And diseases of cattle, vomiting, poisoning, sweet clover poisoning. Wow, you can actually get poisoned by sweet clover. God, and they eat in the field just so nicely. Generative diseases. Oh, use of bull. Okay, we know what that's for. Okay, retention of the afterbirth. Oops. All kinds of treatments. Look at that. This is how the calf's going to come out. Alright. Checking them all out. Dehorning. Oh, God, that stinks. I used to work on a farm. I was a farm technician. I used to breed the cows, as short as I am. Stood on a bale of hay and bred the cows. Got some good pictures of that. I enjoyed it. My outcomes were good. Ringworm, lugworm. I could split a straw and get them both pregnant. That's how good. Paralysis. Big knee. Oh, it's got a lot here. There you go. Age of the cattle by their teeth. It's good to check that out before you buy one. Alright, here's some more. What other things you need to check out before you buy? Alright, here we got pig. Diseases of the swine. Okay, tuberculosis of swine. Oh my goodness, look at that. sore mouth and bullnose, infectious abortions of the swine. Alright, so we're getting into all of them. And there we got the little one, the little piglets. Ah, poultry. Now we get into the chickens. Blackheads of turkeys. Ooh. Poultry diseases. Chicken pox. Huh, I didn't know that. They could have that. All kinds of stuff. Lyme and mites. Ricket and leg weakness. Diseases of sheep. Now we're getting into the sheeps. There you go. Foot rot in the little lambs. Lip and leg. Scab of sheeps. Oh. All kinds of good stuff, huh? Worms of sheeps. Tumors. Oh, and then we get into horses. Diseases of horses. Stompage of the bowels. Okay, diarrhea, colic. Contagious diseases, locked jaws. Contagious diseases, ooh. I don't want a farm animal that was contagious diseases. Influenza. Sprains. Okay, ring bone, side bone. Harness sores and tumors. Punctured hoofs. Pneumonia. Sunstroke and heat exhaustion. Well, they have it too, just like people do. Alright, so they took care of the horses too. Ah. Broken wings. We're into the birds now. Broken wings. Worms in horses. Diarrhea. Diseases of dogs. There you go. Mange. Constipation. Rickets. Coughs and colds. Oh, earcracker. Worms. Rabbits. Rabies of dogs. Huh. And all kinds of poisoning. Alright. Folks, tell us about our... Alright. And this is it. What a nice book. The dairy farmer who does not read his business paper is fighting a tough uphill battle. Alright, and if you look, this book was put together by Staples. 3 old-time Staples, and then it's got the hole punch for hanging for convenience in the barn. Alright. Well, I hope you've enjoyed my bringing you this. Be sure to sub me, join me as a friend, and we'll bring you some more. This was an auction find. Wow, good old auction find, huh? 1932. Great job. Bye-bye.